Thank you for being with us here at the Innovation Theater at ISSA Show North America 2022. I'm Allison Godlove. Joining us now is Dietmar Bernstein with UNGER Enterprises. Dietmar, it's great to have you here.
Yeah, thank you, Allison. I'm very proud to be here to present our latest innovation, the second generation of nLITE water-fed telescopic poles. Yeah. They feature many benefits to the industry. Yeah. And it takes pure water cleaning to a whole new level.
So thank you again for being here. Can you explain a little bit more about what pure water is?
Yeah. So pure water is basically you have tap water and you remove from the tap water all dissolved solids, meaning there are minerals in the water, like in every water that you buy. On the backside you can read the list of minerals. And we just take out those minerals from the water, and then it's water in its purest form. And cleaning with pure water means when it dries away, there are no stains left, no marks, no anything, yeah? Because it's just water which evaporates. And this is a very effective clean that you get with it. Yes.
So what exactly are the benefits then?
Oh, the benefits are, first of all, it's sustainable. Yeah? Because you will not need window cleaning chemicals. You just clean with water, no chemicals involved, so it's sustainable. It's also safe because with that method you can clean safely from the ground without any ladders, without lifting platforms. And so it increases worker safety. And last but not least, it's very efficient because you can clean twice as fast as with traditional methods. So it increases the efficiency and also the profitability.
So what are some of the features that makes this so innovative?
Oh, we have many features built in, but before I deep dive into these, yeah, I would like to show the audience a video on them.
It was a great video. Thank you so much for sharing it with us. So you have the product here with you now, and it seems to be very lightweight.
Indeed, it is lightweight, yeah. So you can just lift it up with one arm, but it's not only lightweight, because when you work with that telescopic pole, so you can extend it, yeah. So you can go up very high, and so you need also to have a certain rigidity and stability. And the material that is built out of, we call it carbon 24K. 24K meaning there are 24,000 fibers in a unique weave, and it's carbon fibers. So it's a very stable, rigid material and very lightweight. Yeah.
Can I hold it?
Yes, of course.
Can I hold it? Can you feel it?
Just collapse it, it will be easier to hold. Yeah. So.
See? It is. It's very lightweight. You could use this at home. You could take it home with you. It's really good. So it's not just innovative. It's also the brush is innovative as well.
Yes. So we have the pole, but what is really innovative about it all is we innovated on all parts of the system. Yeah? So not only the pole, but also the brush. The brush, it features several things. So first of all, we talk about that power bristle technology, which provides at the same time a tremendous cleaning effect and an easy glide across the window. We have also introduced here, this is the rinse bar of the product. So the rinse bar, there the pure water will come out, and it's very effective because it provides lots of pure water, and so the surface will be rinsed very effectively. And then we have things like the swivel function here. So the swivel function will allow the brush to swivel freely then. And we have also the quick connect or fast lock system here, where you can change the position of the brush very quickly into different angles. And you can also change the brush within seconds. So this is very thought through, a lot of engineering work in there, very innovative. Yeah.
What is connecting it, the brush to the pole?
This one here, yeah. So between the pole and the brush, we have what we call a modular angle adapter, because you can take the single modules of that angle adapter and you can put them together in different combinations. Yeah? And our customers at the booth, they do not call it angle adapter or modular angle adapter, they call it the Terminator arm. Yeah? And it illustrates how powerful it is, because with this you can adapt to any angle, yeah? And when you clean then from the ground, for example, you can also reach horizontal surfaces, yeah? With this construction. So this might be very helpful for winter gardens or glass roofs, things like that. Yeah? So very much appreciated.
Explain to me, how does the pure water get to the rinse bar of the power brush?
So the pure water comes in at the bottom with a hose, and we have innovative inner hose routing. So the hose goes up here, comes out here again, and is connected with these quick connectors. It's flowing through this here, and then it's with that quick connector again connected to the rinse bar. And so this means that there's no hose hanging around. So this ensures trouble-free working because the hose will not get hooked up at the facade. And so it's a very efficient and safe method then. Huh?
Well, thank you for the explanation. So before we go, talk to me about the impact that this innovation has on the industry.
Yeah. So the impact on the industry in general is we see a ongoing technological shift from traditional window cleaning methods to pure water cleaning. And this innovation will drive that shift. Yeah? And pure water cleaning as such, and the shift towards pure water cleaning means we will have more sustainable operations because window chemicals are not washed into the ground. We have also increased worker safety, because when you stand with your both feet on the ground, yeah, you cannot fall from a ladder or from a lifting platform. And last but not least, with that method, you clean twice as fast as with traditional methods. Yeah? So it increases overall efficiency of the industry, and it boosts profitability.
Well, wonderful. Thank you so much. How can people find you here at ISSA?
Oh, our booth is right over here. I do not have the number, but yeah. But she knows it. Alexis in the audience knows it. Yeah. So yeah, we are in that area. Just look for the UNGER sign, and we're here all days. Yeah, and we are proudly demonstrating this product there.
Wonderful. Dietmar, thank you so much for being here. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Alison. Yeah, it was a pleasure. Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us as well. You can follow along by using the hashtag ISSA 2022.